a small group of people created an underground city away from all this chaos. They are the only ones who know how to come out of this underground city. They also created a safe lockbox with all the instructions and manuals to come out of the city. The lock was set automatically to open after 200 years, hoping everything will be clear by that time. Then this box was handed over to the city mayor. Time passed by, and the mayor is the only one who knows the secrets of the box. This box is passed on by generation to generation from mayors to mayor, along with the secrets of the box. This came to a sudden end as the current mayor of the city died without handing over the duty or the secrets of the box and thus breaking the chain. Now the box is shown sitting somewhere, with the years still counting down to zero. In this video, we're gonna see what's happening in the city of Ember, the movie released in 2008. As in the opening scene of the movie itself, we could clearly understand there is enough food for survival of 200 years and the electric generator continuously working for more than 200 years. The generator is showing some signs of wear and tear as they were continuously working for so long. The number of blackouts and generator failure frequency increases every day. Now it's the assignment day in the city of Ember. It's similar to our graduation day, but here students must pick a paper from a lot. This will assign them the future job. The last person to arrive on our scene is Ellen. She is also said to choose from the lot. She is opening the paper and found out that the job was pipe work, which Lena doesn't like at all. Then we can see Doom receiving Messenger as his job, but he really wished for generator work or any other technical skill job. After this, Doom and Elena is having a small chat and they exchanged their job. She was so excited to be a messenger, the job which was assigned for Doom. She ran to her house with the happy news and told everything to her old grandmother. We can see grandmother is an old lady and she's also an insane person. Elena is also having a very naughty younger sister who like on chewing things and destroying everything in the home. Her name is Poppy. Doom's father and Elena's father were very close friends. They plot many routes and ways to escape from the city, but they eventually failed. In one of the failed attempts, Doom lost his best friend, that is Elena's father. After his death, Doom's father gave up on the idea of escaping from the city. As we can see now, Doom and Elena are now getting ready for the first day of their job. Later that day, Elena goes to the green room where the fresh vegetables and fruits are grown. Elena is now having a small conversation about her first day at the job with her father's old friend who is working in the green room. As they were speaking, there enters another person in the room, rushes to the scene, claiming he has finally gone out of the city of Ember and the outside world is full of darkness. Within a few minutes, few of the city guards appeared and arrested that man. As per the rules of the new mayor, it is strictly prohibited from any person to even try to escape from the city. As the person was moved by the guards, some strange looking thing fell from his hand. Lena took it and hides it under her coat. Now we can see Dune here trying to learn to fix the pipeworks from an old man who was working there for a long time. Dune stole the map of the whole place from the old man's pocket. Using this map, he tries to discover every single corner of the city. As he was trying to explore the city, he came across a strange looking room with room number 351 written on it. He became very curious and tried to open the door, but it was locked. On the way back, while he was returning, he saw another strange looking passage leading somewhere. He climbed in and moved along the passage. This led him directly to the storeroom of the city. While he was trying to climb inside the storeroom, the storekeeper spotted him and kicked him out of the store. As Dune was on his way back to home, the generator again stopped working. In this darkness, Dune and Lena met again. Lena gave the strange looking thing that she took earlier to Dune. Now we can see Lena entering her home and saw her grandmother ripping off the couch and keep on murmuring about some box. And she said she was searching for it. In the meantime, on the other room, Elena's sister found the box, opened it up and completely destroyed everything inside it. And she was chewing on the papers inside the box. Lena took the box from her sister and came out of the room with the box. Grandma saw this box and told Elena that she was searching for this box. And this box was given to her by her grandfather. But she doesn't know what it was. Then our Dune is shown walking towards the generator room to see his friend. And from there, he learns that the generator is showing signs of aging and will soon be completely non-operational and the city will be in darkness forever. Now in the next scene, Elena got a duty to deliver a message to the mayor. On the way to meet the mayor, she saw paintings of the previous mayors. There she saw her great-great-grandfather picture among them. What amuses her most is that in the same picture, her great-great-grandfather, he was holding the same box which she currently possesses, and other mayors were also having the same box with them. And another thing she noticed is that in the images, the years written in the box was counting down as the mayors changed. Then she delivered her message to the mayor. After that, she tries to inquire the mayor about the box, but he refuses to answer any of her questions and asks her to leave. After she reached back home, she tried to stick together the pieces of paper inside the box which was torn by her sister. Again we can see the generator is being restarted and the power is gone. The next scene we can see is that Lina's grandmother died as aging and other health related issues. Now, Elena and her sister is staying with their neighbors. Lena starts sticking together papers like a puzzle and finally complete the instruction manual and give this to Doom. Even though many parts were not visible, Doom found a word exit written on it and figured out that this was some kind of instruction manual to escape from the city. And they finally decided to find some answers. Doom still suspects room number 351 to be the path out. Along with Elena, he decided to check room number 351. Room was still locked and he tried to break the lock. But suddenly out of nowhere, two people appeared walking towards their direction. Doon and Lena tried to hide and stay quiet. But as the two men were approaching, they saw something strange and started to run with fear. Trying to understand the situation, decided to check what's going on. They saw a huge creature and it started to chase them. They got separated while trying to escape. Doon somehow managed to save Elena and escape from their location. And the very next day, without losing hope, they came again to open the room 351. And yes, finally they did it. They managed to open the door. As they entered the room, they were surprised to see the room filled with canned foods and drinks. While the people in the city of Ember was told that they were depleting the resources and they are not having enough food to serve every people and people were asked to ration. In the meantime, there was enough food for everyone for another couple of years within this room. Inside this room, they saw someone sleeping in the couch. As they get closer, they saw his face. It's the mayor of the city, telling the people in the city to ration and he is enjoying every food by himself. They left the place quietly without waking up the mayor. The very next day, Lena goes to the mayor's office to complain about the mayor. Complaining about the mayor to the mayor's office, that's kind of foolish. On the way to the mayor's office, she saw mayor's assistant and she disclosed everything to him. He hears everything as a shocking news and acts as he's going to help her. And then he dragged her to the mayor's room. In the mayor's room, he was eating something. After that, he was picking up his teeth with some kind of key that was similar to that she found inside the box. Mayor noticed the box in Elena's hand and demanded her to give the box to him. Fortunately, the generator restarted. That gave enough time for Lena to escape with the box and grab the second key from the mayor's neck while escaping. She rushed to the generator room and asked for help from the lady. The lady hid her in her room. Mayor later issued search warrant to find them and even posted posters with reward for anyone to disclose their location or to capture them. In the meantime, Mayor also conducted party to gain good name among the people. Poppy also joined them on the way out. Lena then joins the key which she already owns with the key that she took from the mayor's neck. After joining the key, a symbol was visible. Symbol similar to that of generator room. Doon tried so hard to open the generator room door. Even after repeated attempts, he failed. When Lena checked the instruction manuals again, the design was similar to that of the floor of the room which they were standing. Lena followed the patterns on the floor and she saw many lockers were arranged. Doon tried to open one of the lockers. After closer inspection, he was able to enter into a locker and he saw many such lockers were arranged inside within the locker. That's when he realized they were not lockers and they were actually boats. Hundreds of them, enough for every single people from the city of Ember to escape. He also saw a lever within the locker. Once he turned it, the boat started moving itself to the generator room. The generator room opened by itself and the boat fell into a canal. Then they again checked their instruction manual and found something written as a control room. As they were inspecting the control room, they saw a keyhole in the door, which was similar to that of key which they owned. Using the same key, they were able to unlock the control room and enter into it. As per the instruction manual, they must completely shut down one of the generator and make the another one run at full capacity. Since it was already 200 years old mechanism, it was not able to work at the full capacity, and when they tried to run the generator at full capacity, it broke down and alarm sounded all over the place. The generator repair guy come rushing to the scene and somehow managed to fix the generator and make it run properly. In that exact moment itself, they were managed to escape through one of the boat. As the water pressure increases, water came out leaking from everywhere in the city. Mayor tried to escape by running towards his bunker, but he didn't expect to find the creature in there. Now we can see Lena, Doon and Puppy after traveling for so long has reached a bank. They slowly climbed up the stairs and finally they are out of the city of Ember. As per the rumors, the outside world was full of darkness. Everything outside was dark. Since they were too tired to travel, they decided to rest and finally fell asleep. In the morning, Poppy saw some strange light coming and she woke up and saw the sun rising up and everything is so bright and beautiful. They have not seen any light other than the electric bulbs till that very moment. Then Dune wrote every instruction to come out of the city in a paper and throw it down to the city. It was found by his dad. Using the instruction given by his son, they were all able to escape from the city. The movie ends by Lena, Dune and Poppy looking towards the sun. I won't say this is the greatest movie or anything, but still enjoyed it a lot. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and clicking that bell icon for more contents. Thank you all for watching.